Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss narration. And in previous videos we have learnt about changing in person. How we can change first person pronoun, how we can change second person pronoun, and how we can change third person pronoun. So I'm going to write a short trick for you. Okay guys, I'm going to write a short trick for you, that is SOM. Short trick. Short trick for changing person of reported speech. Okay guys, short trick for changing persons of reported speech. So that is SON. SOM. Okay, that is first person pronoun. First person pronoun on the basis of subject of reported speech. Second person pronoun. Second person pronoun on the basis of reporting speech object. Third person pronoun. Third person pronoun there should be no changing. Okay, so S is equal to subject of reporting speech. Okay, O refers to object of reporting speech. Okay, I'm going to write N here. N is equal to no changing. Okay guys, so here this was short trick for changing in person of reported speech. When we want to change reported speech persons, means when we are converting direct into indirect, at that time we should notice that if first person pronoun comes in reported speech, then first person pronoun always changes according to subject of reporting speech. Okay, if second person pronoun comes in reported speech, second person means you, your, you. Okay, if these persons means second person pronoun comes in reported speech, then second person pronoun changes according to object of reporting speech. If third person pronoun comes in reported speech, then there should not be any kinds of changing. So here N refers to no changing. Okay, and S refers to subject of reporting speech. O refers to object of reporting speech. Okay, but the second condition is that suppose second condition is that second condition, he said you are a student. He said you are a student. Okay, just I have told you that this is a second person pronoun, and second person pronoun always changes on the basis of reporting speech object. Okay, but there is no object. Okay, there is no object. Then we should notice that this is second person and this is third person. Okay, so we should imagine, we should suppose that what person is not present in reporting speech and reported speech. We should suppose that person. So this is third, this is second. So first person pronoun we should suppose. I suppose here me. Okay, then he said to me, you are a student. Okay guys, so it may be this is direct speech, and indirect he told me that use tense on the basis of me means I, then here was a student. Okay, we can also write here us. If we are writing us, then here be and okay, if be then verb. Okay guys, so in this way we can say that this was the example. He said I am going to my house. He said I am going to my house. He said I'm going to my house. Okay, so here this is first person pronoun. First person pronoun changes on the basis of subject. Subject is present. He said that I means he was going to his house. Okay guys, so today your topic rules of changing person of reported speech is completed. Okay, so you should solve minimum 20 questions for learning the rules, how we convert persons in reported speech. Okay, this is your homework. Convert minimum 20 sentences for learning the rules how we convert person in reporting speech. Okay, this is reported speech, not reporting speech. Okay guys.